Okay, green group. I was very excited after y'all left about what y'all came up with. Now, first off, let me just say this, because there was one thing that I saw that I wasn't too happy about. I didn't have a chance to tell you this, but guys, don't spend 5 minutes deciding who's going to be the secretary. That is a very small thing in this project, and I don't want it to take away from your time that is actually where you're supposed to work on the big stuff. All right? Who's the secretary? It is a small deal. Don't let that small deal hurt your work with the big stuff. Okay? Now, with that said, I did get to work with a few of you on figuring out this part. Now, the rhythm is a complicated rhythm, so this is probably going to be your harmony line, which is fine. We need to make sure that everyone can do it, though. So we're going to get down to brass tacks when you guys come back. Okay, so let me show you how you should write this, just to make sure it's clear. It's TT with the eighth rest, TT. Even though they're separated, I had to separate them because they're on two different beats. TT, TT, and then another eighth rest, and then another TT. And then we did another eighth rest, another TT on two different beats, another eighth rest, and a ta, ta. So when you play it, it's TT, 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 ta, ta. All right? It's very syncopated. I'll do it again. Here I go. TT, 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 ta, ta. Okay? Now, I think what we did, something like that. I can't remember what we did here, but you want to write this like so. You want to have the shorter note on top. In this case, that would be the G, and the longer note on the bottom. You want it stacked because you're playing this set twice, so you need to have room for both. Okay? You're not going to put anything for here, and then here you're going to put A, that's the shorter one, and F, A, and F. And again, nothing here because that's the rest. And then I think you went back to G. I cannot quite remember. I just kind of put it there. And then again, nothing here for that rest. And then I think we had F and D for those notes. Nothing here. And then for your final tas, I think we did G and D. I'm not entirely sure. Okay? So again, I'll play it through. Here I go. It's a very modern sound. I like it. I think this would be a great harmony line. This would be your third part, your vegetable part, your spicy part. Great job. Now comes the tricky part. Can your group play this line 4 times through with 0 to 2 mistakes? Okay? That's going to be the real test if you can actually keep this line. Now, not everybody's going to be playing this line, but we do need to see that it's actually playable by someone else. Please work hard to try and get this line down. Now, if after that you're still having trouble, then we may need to tweak it a little bit. Maybe we can make this whole measure tas just to keep it easy. Okay, so it'd be T-T, 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 ta, 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 or something like that. Okay? But all in all, I'm very impressed with the creativity of this line. All right? Okay, so you're going to practice this 4 times through, and then I think we can take it from there. Figure out what these notes are here. These were just suggestions, but I can't remember what we are. But you're welcome to use mine, but just make sure everyone can play it. All right?